At the parade. Say something. Say hi. Want some candy? Want to go to powwow? Just gotta wait, okay? Daddy's gonna be in the parade. Yep. That's why he's not here. He's gonna be in the parade. Look at that car! Whoa. See that car? There's the camera right here. Tell me. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, look at the jet. Look at his hair. You should put your hair back, baby. Put your hair back. Put your hair back. Yeah. Look at his hair. See his hair? You can put another ponytail right here. 1, 2, 3. Hey, don't hit. Shh, why'd you press it?